think he's a eastern red-legged pheasant, or he might be a nightingale or a copybird. We don't know what type of bird he is, but when he's grown, we'll know. But we still don't know if he's a boy or girl.
Definitely not a chicken.
Yeah, not a chicken either.
Hey, buddy.
Ow.
What are you sad about, Tommy? Okay, good, honey. Where is he?
Right there.
What did he do?
He flew away.
So when a baby bird leaves his nest, its mama bird comes back and feed it a couple more times so it can be healthy and strong. That's what we're doing right now. We decided to name him Albirdto because he's a bird, and he is just like a cool name because he's a bird. Albirdto. Okay, the sun. Land on the rope if you need some help. Yeah. Let's try to land.
I see him. He or she is next to the brown gate.
Adios, Albirdto. Be free. Go have your own adventure.
Word.
I'm really going to miss you.